What's up, guys? This is Dexter again. So it's Sunday. It's my first vlog. Then, syempre, hindi pa rin ako hindi pa rin ako sanay. I guess. So, sa panahon natin ngayon, like, kasi may bagyo ngayon dito, San Miguel. And probably ulan araw dito. Ulan araw. Pero mas maano yung ulan. Then i-share ko lang, guys, yung how I being a YouTuber right now. Like, sabihin nila, pag nag-YouTube ka daw, famous ka na daw. But again, hindi po yun. Ano lang, para ano lang, I take some YouTubers, like, I watch a lot of YouTube videos, subscribe a lot, then, I make some point na gumawa na rin akong video. So, yun nga. So guys, add me on my Facebook, and add me to some pop-up like that. Add me my Facebook account, then follow me also sa mga susunod pang beat. Then yeah. So guys, syempre sabi ko nga vlog sa vlog, give me a 100 likes in this video, then I make it every day, a vlog every day in my life, like every day, yeah. Then what else? Yeah, like that. Then especially I'm from Bulacan, and guys, watch me on other videos, being me, Dexter, and the rest of the day until next week. So guys, tune up, give me the thumbs up, share a like, guys. This is your boy Dexter again. Don't hesitate that way, guys. So guys, share ko lang kasi talaga napakadilim talaga. And then let's do this. So wait. Let's do this. So guys, tignan natin yung yung makulimlim as in, guys. Makulimlim talaga as in. So
Get a little closer, baby, post up.